Hi everybody, hope you're all having a good Tuesday. I hope you all had a really lovely Easter. I'm jumping on to do my live today rather than tomorrow. I normally do it on a Wednesday, but I'm in for surgery tomorrow, and excuse the way I look, I'm a little bit hungry. I'm 48 hours before the surgery, I can't eat, it's clear fluids only, so I'm a bit like I'm getting to the point now where, yeah, I'm closing my eyes and I can see a burger like flying around, you know. So yeah, so bear with me if I start talking gobbledygook, you know why. Okay, so my hack today, before I tell you that, for those of you that pre-ordered the spring warmer and the Mother's Day bundles, they've all been secured for you this morning, so they were all put through. Thank you so much for all your orders. That was awesome. So yeah, that went through real smoothly at 6 o'clock this morning. All of them ordered and done and dusted. So, Scentsy hack. Okay, I'm going to put you, let me see if I can put you down here. Okay, so this is a new one on me. So I've been doing it for a little while and it works a treat. And I thought I would share this one with you today just because we're coming into winter, so you're going to be using your tumble dryers a little bit more. So this hack involves our laundry line, okay? So I've taken a tub of our washer whiffs. This one's pink cotton. If you don't know what our washer whiffs are, they are sodium crystals with the fragrance injected inside. So basically you pop them into your drum of your washing machine and they make your clothes smell absolutely amazing. So these I've been using for a while. Like pink cotton's one of my fave fragrances anyway. So, but yeah, I know a lot of you use washer whiffs, but if you don't know what they are, that is what they are. So this hack for you today is for those of you that are using the washer whiffs at the moment and maybe coming into the season of using your dryer, will want to start using your dryer discs. Now these dryer discs are little plastic discs of fragrance. So this is pink cotton to match, this is pink cotton that will match the washer whiff fragrance. Now these are going to last you up to about between 25 and 30 loads. That's like the official numbers. You just pop them straight into your dryer and they make your clothes smell amazing along with the washer whiffs. But the hack that I wanted to share with you today is to get a little bit of extra time out of your dryer disc. So when they're not being used, store them in the tub along with the whiffs. Because basically all these dryer discs are plastic discs that have been soaked in the actual oil themselves, so that's why they'll run out after sort of 25-30 loads. I thought this was an awesome idea. You just pop them in every time you've finished using them, so when you're not using your dryer, pop them into the tub of the washer whiffs and they're going to make them smell so much longer. How do you know that your dryer disc needs to be changed? You smell it and it doesn't smell anymore. So you're going to get way more than the 25-30 loads out of your dryer disc by popping it into the washer whiff tub in between washes. I thought that was a pretty cool hack. So yeah, this is going to make your dryer disc last a lot longer. And obviously make your laundry smell absolutely amazing. If you would like to know any more information about our packages for our laundry, so we do something called a laundry love, which is where you get 2 packets of these dryer discs, a big tub of your washer whiffs, and you get a laundry liquid as well. So if you'd like some information on those packages, because they actually cost quite a bit less than if you bought them all separately, let me know, because as I said, I know we're coming into the season now. We're not quite ready for tumble dryers just yet here in Perth, but we may be really soon. So yeah, our laundry love package is a really good way of trying these dryer discs out if you haven't tried them before. And like I said, that's an awesome way of keeping them working for longer for you and saving you money, which I'm all about. Have a beautiful Tuesday. Please bear with me over the next few days. I will still be about, but I just might not be, well, I'll probably be high as a kite tomorrow, to be honest with you. So it'll probably be quite funny if I jumped on, but I will refrain myself from doing so. And I will speak to you all on the other side. Have a beautiful day. Like I said, I hope you all had a fab Easter, and I will speak to you soon. Bye-bye.